Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable WhatsApp Open automatically and start up on Windows. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're a regular WhatsApp user and the desktop kind, you may appreciate WhatsApp automatically launching on your computer each time you log in. It cuts the hassle of manually logging into the communication platform and helps save time. So, how to enable this feature on your WhatsApp desktop? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. After that, you can just go to settings. From settings, you can go to general. So in here, you can launch your WhatsApp desktop automatically by turn on this startup WhatsApp login. But as you can see here, before you enable this feature on WhatsApp, you can go to the settings on your Windows. You can go to app startup at Windows login. It's disabled in Windows settings, so you can change your computer setting first. So you can just click in here. From here, you can search for WhatsApp, this one. So you can enable it. You can go back to WhatsApp. So now you have enabled this feature, the launch your WhatsApp desktop automatically when you start up your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable WhatsApp Open automatically at startup on Windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!